Welcome back. Continuing the news. If you normally visit your barber or hairdresser after 5 p.m., you may have to adjust your schedule. This, as starting today, barbershops and hair salons must close by 5 p.m. But as Giovanni Dennis reports, some barbers remain optimistic, though already feeling the pinch from growing COVID restrictions.
These are the new opening hours for barbers and hairdressers.
The opening of barbershops and hair salons shall be no earlier than 10 a.m. and no later than 5 p.m.
Only 2 customers can be waiting at any given time. But even before this, barbers and hairdressers were feeling the pinch. We sought reactions from barbers in 5 parishes. Barber Cummings works in tourism-dependent Montego Bay, St. James.
As you can see, the shop is empty. Barber not coming to work. We're not having no customer. The hotel closing down, so we depend on our hotel people to get some work, and now they are not here.
He says they will comply with the new order.
It is a good thing because it prevents us from spread the thing more and more in the country, because we don't know who bringing it in and who going out with it. So we have to work with his program.
It's not going to be easy, but it's not forever.
In nearby St. Ann, we spoke to Nigel Taylor and Susan Hibbert.
It has impacted our business in a very negative way, but I think one day we'll pull through it and we have to make a comeback. And I know Jamaica is a very resilient country, so we have to just stand and fight.
We're not going to tolerate more than 2 customers, as the Prime Minister said, at a time. So we are just working with the rules.
In Old Harbour, St. Catherine, World Barbers now operates on a shift. 3 barbers work here, but only 1 works at a time. Jermaine is the owner. Though he understands, he laments the financial loss.
We have like 20 to 30 people, now we're down to like 5, 10 most. If we're lucky, if it's a 10.
From St. Catherine to St. Andrew, at a barbershop in Papine.
It usually has 5 or 8 customers waiting to get a haircut. The barber tells me COVID-19 has had crippling effects on his livelihood.
It's short, my pocket right now, right in my pocket weak right now. I don't know where this virus comes from, but it's weaker than everything right now. I say right now, the worst thing I ever say from a barn.
Maurice came to get a haircut. He too wasn't happy about the restrictions.
Disappointed because man have to keep them here, in a particular way. But so what I would encourage people to do is just take the haircut from early out.
Well, he got his and was pleased. Andre believes good craftsmanship will help barbers cut through the rough patches ahead.
They will reach out to you. As long as you're a good barber and you perform good work, your client will always stay with you.
Yeah, and that's your bank pan.
And them, yeah, them have a bank pan right now. My loyal client them.
Giovanni Dennis, TVJ News.